Well, the biking part of my day is done, trail riding. Now it's the hiking part. Mrs. Z, she's back there. Say hi, Mrs. Z. I was biking in Lake Denison area, and we're hiking in Gardner State Forest. This is usually where I come, entrance point where I use for my trail riding at the Rome Conservation Area. Yeah. What a nice day, huh? Just taking all that fresh air, enjoying nature. Hmm.
Oh, there's another one over there.
What?
Whatever. There's one here too. Several of them.
Yeah, this is all new. Like I said, the markings on the tree are new. These things are new. I wonder what they're doing.
It looks like the way it's cleared.
Yeah.
Something.
Weird. Look at them. Yeah.
Oh, it says something on it, but I don't.
They're marking them for something.
Oh, they all have something written on them.
Oh, there's some kind of tree, I bet.
Hmm?
Some kind of tree, I bet. Inside there. That's hollow. It's just like, almost like corrugated.